So here I'm going to go back to our first example for multiplying using the area model, and I want to show you how to check your work to make sure that your answer that you got, which was 29 remainder 1, is correct. And to do that, we are going to be using the area model of multiplication to solve. So we know our answer is 29. That's from up here. And we know our other number is 13. So I like the area model of multiplication because you are less likely to make a mistake. So I'm going to draw my area box. And because we have two-digit numbers, we are going to have a 2x2 box. So I'll get 20, 9, 10. Remember, 10 comes from 1 with a place value. And then 3. So I know 2 times 1 is 2 with 2 zeros. 9 times 1 is 9 with 1 zero. 2 times 3 is 6 with 1 zero. 9 times 3 is 27. So then we just add the first row. So you get 200 plus 90. And I noticed on your test that a lot of you just went ahead and did this. And that's okay. Put all the numbers here. That's fine as long as you add everything up. 0, 0, 0, 0, and 7. 0 and 9 is 9. 9 plus 6 is 15. 15 plus 2 more is 16. 17. Carry 1. 1 times 2 is 3. And so we get 377. If you look up here, this 377 is not the same as this number. And the reason being is because of this remainder 1. So we have to add our remainder to this model. So plus 1 more. 7 plus 1 is 8. 7, 3. So remember, don't forget to add your remainder. Oop, and that did not fit. But that's where our remainder goes. We don't touch the remainder at all until we get to our very last spot. So let's go to our second example, and we're going to do the same thing. On our second example, we got our answer to be 32. So I'm going to put 32, and our divisor was 15, so I'm going to put 15. Alright, so now we have a 2x2 box again. And on top, we get 30, and then 2, 10, and 5. And I might have drawn my box a little too small for you to see, but since you guys are experts with the area model, then we'll just make it work. 3 times 1 is 3 with 2 zeros. 2 times 1 is 2 with 1 zero. 2 times 5 is 10. Oh, Miss Sills messed up. 5 times 3 is 15 with 1 zero, and then 2 times 5 is 10. So then we go 300, 20, 150, and 10. And add all of these numbers together. We get 0, 0, 0 is 0. 0, 2, 5, 7 plus 1 more is 8. 3 plus 1 is 4. So we get 480. But we're not finished because we have to still add our remainder of 3. And we get 0 plus 3 is 3. 8, 4. And that's our initial. So that's how we know that our answer is right. We'll dive a little deeper into this later on during the week, but I just wanted you to get a heads up before this week got started.